What up, YouTube? It's your boy MB back in the place to be. As you can see, I got them door jams done for my boy Mad Dog. Door jams shut up. About to install the carpet and everything for him. Then he want me to touch it up, the paint. Throw another clear coat on top of it. Want me to throw another clear coat on top of the paint. Make it a little bit wetter than this. So just want to show y'all this real quick. The dashboard done. I gotta paint that brown piece black. Did we see the wood grain there? I gotta paint that black and save the edges, trim the edges a little bit more smoother. But there go the TV in there. Like I said, door jams are all done up. Oh shit. Just sprayed the motherfuckers. Can't close the door all the way. Got the bumpers primed up. Ready to install the TVs in there and prime and paint the whole bumper now, YouTube. Got him there. You know, I got them so they can come in and out. So he's going to be able to take them in and out. So they're not going to be staying there permanent. Same time, you see, I'm working on putting these TVs in the turn signal. These are the old ones. He told me to try to see if I can get them in the old one first before you buy the new ones. So I can make them fit in the old one. I can make them. So this side we're going to look with the TVs on the inside of there. The sock sign won't be there though. So we're putting the TV in the turn signal. Then we got TVs in the door lights. We got TVs in the door mirrors. We got TVs in the, each 4 TVs. So we got 3 flip downs I'm finna install at the top right now. And I'm finna install a radio. I'm finna power up everything now. So today you guys will be seeing power. And I'm putting the interior back in here. I got new interior carpet, chairs and everything. So hopefully today, if I don't get disturbed, only thing about working at the house, I get too many disturbance. Everybody pull up, see the garage door open, and they want to chat. There's nothing wrong with it, but sometimes it get out of hand. So I'm starting early in the morning, sunrise. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace and love.